Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack your RAR and zip files on Blackview A90 using RAR app. So in order to do this, first download this app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's locate the file that we want to unpack, and mine is located in TCIM and then camera. Here's a camera.rar. Let's click on it. From here we'll be able to unpack it, and if you want to unpack entire thing, simply click on this arrow pointing up while being in this RAR file. If you want to unpack specific file, simply select it and then press the arrow again. Now let's unpack entire thing. From here we'll need to choose destination path, so let's pick browse, and from here let's move it to the movies. Click OK to save that. Here you'll be able to change the settings like ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. You can enable to keep broken files, do not extract paths or display extracted files. Now after everything is set, let's click OK, and if the file is not protected by any password, it should unpack like this. Now let's move to the movies folder, and here's 3 pictures that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.